Namaste, welcome to Sunita's Kitchen Stories. Today I am going to prepare badam powder. Ingredients for this badam powder are 1 cup of badam, 1 cup of milk powder, quarter spoon of kumkum kesari, 10 peppers, 1 small piece of dry ginger, 5 pieces of ilachi. This is, see, 1 clove, this amount of small piece of edible camphor or pachakarpura. This is nutmeg flower piece, jatikai poo. This is nutmeg, jatikai, a bit. These ingredients enhances the flavor of the badam powder. Now let's start preparing the powder. First, switch on the stove, take a pan, take the almonds and just warm it, that's it, don't fry or else it will leave its oil, it will start leaving the oil. Just warm the almonds, don't fry it, otherwise it will leave its oil. So just warm it up, that's it. Once you prepare and keep this powder, it will be very handy for everything. It is actually, I call it as a multi-purpose powder only. You can use it for milk also. In case you are having shortage of milk, you add just extra spoon of this powder. It will be okay because we are adding milk powder also, no? It is a very handy, it will be very handy especially during festivals when guests are keep visiting home, no? It will be very helpful. Just it should get warm, that's it. Now it is warm enough for the powder. Now it has to be cooled down. If you over fry this now, while grinding it will become like a lump itself. It won't be like powder. It leaves its oil now, that's why. Now this much is okay. You should be able to touch it, that's it. Now let it cool and we'll start the next procedure. I have kept the badam in a plate to cool down. Now we will take the other ingredients in a mixer jar. First, nutmeg flour, nutmeg, pachakarpuram and lavangam, jatikai, jadipu, lavangam and pachakarpuram. Then goes elaka, ilachi. Then goes dry ginger. Then pepper. Next, kumkum kesari. Now we add some amount of almonds to it and grind. Then only the small amount of all the ingredients will grind nicely. Okay, I will grind and show. Now I grinded some ingredients. See, like this. Now time to add the remaining almonds also. Now add to the mix jar and again we have to grind it. Once it is finely grinded, then we will add the powder and mix in the mixie itself. Now I will grind and show. Now I have grinded all the almonds nicely. Now time to add the milk powder and just run the mixie until both the ingredients mix well. You can take it out and mix in the hand itself. this will be better option. If you put it in the mixie and run, it will mix nicely. As I told, it is very handy powder only. Sometimes guest will be more and shortage of milk will be there. No, you just add this. As I told, you just add extra 1 spoon of badam, this powder, in water and mix with milk and give. It will taste very nice. Now I will mix and show. I will mix this milk powder with this badam powder in mixie and then I will show you. Add total amount of milk powder to the jar and I will show after the mixing both the ingredients. Now I have mixed both the ingredients, that is milk powder and badam powder, in the mixie itself, and it's time to serve. See, it looks like this. If you want, you can add some half spoon of turmeric powder also. Normally I don't prefer to add because I have added the kesar itself. No, that natural color will be nice. If you want, you can add, and if you want, you can add some more milk powder also according to your taste, but this will be the perfect one. So now it's time to serve. Now badam powder is ready to serve. You can mix with hot water, hot milk or cold milk. You can serve both hot and cold. It will be very tasty. Please like, share and subscribe to my channel Sunita's Kitchen Stories. Thank you.